Hey everybody, this is Kirk with an easy way to trade. Do me a favor, before you watch this video, hit the like button and then hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when we do our other videos. Hey guys, I want to go ahead and show you the first four trades of the trading week in our VIP signals group right here. Really quick video. First four trades. Today is May 23rd, 2023. This is the first four trades again of our VIP signals group. Rejection. We got CAD J. Rejection. We dropped down to the 15 for our entry. Right, we got an entry here, 20 pip take profit right here. First trade hit 20 pip take profit, went on up. Trade kept going. Trades up, so it went over 20 pips. So we got a guaranteed 20 pips for us is a win. 19 pips and below is a loss. When we count our losses, if trades go up, do not hit our 20 pips, rejects back down and hits our stop loss down here, right? But trades still, this one's still going. So it's actually still active. Still active. It could continue on up. And, that's the first trade, right? That's CAD J. Next one's ECAD, right? We got our rejection off resistance, rejection. Took the trade right here. Stop loss, 20 pip take profit. So you see it hit our 20 pip take profit, came back, came to it again. Trade is still active, still going, 20 pip take profit. All right, this is ECAD. Let's go on to the next one. AUD Guys, this one hit our stop loss by about 5 pips right here. Rejection went up, good rejection, went up a few pips in profit, 4 or 5 pips in profit, came back down, came bounce around, hit our stop loss about 5 pips, guys. And then look at it, took one off, right? So, okay, but we count that one as a loss, guys, because it did not hit our 20 pips before it hit our stop loss, right? All right, so we lost that one, AJ. Next trade is EURUSD, guys. We got a lot of rejections on this one off of resistance here. Boom, boom. Could have taken the trade here. Here. We took the trade right here, went down, hit our 20 pip stop loss. Trade still going, pulling back a little bit, but the trade is still going. So that's 3 wins, 1 loss, guys. 3 wins, 1 total loss. Net pips, 103 pips, and it's just Tuesday, guys. Get on in our VIP signals group. $50 a month. As you can see, you will make that, guys. We don't make any guarantees, but we're crushing it, guys.